This is the OD2. It's a beautiful hardened smartwatch capable of 10 ATM waterproofing. Lots of controls against 3 different panels in here. SOS calling, Siri, settings, setting date and time, twist your wrist to see the time, touch the screen to wake it up. Lots of flexibility. You have a built-in flashlight too. It's super bright if you need to outdoors. You have a pull-out panel on the side, gives you your most recently used apps, messages sent from your phone, phone calling, date and time, and so forth. This way we've got step count information, calories burned, distance traveled. Land here you get heart rate, instantaneous reading. It also supports continuous heart rate with a tiny glitch we talk about in the full review. You have blood oxygen using green rather than the red diode technology, so check the readings on accuracy for that. You have ECG, which I got to tell you is totally simulated. All it's doing is computing your heart rate using green diodes, which is exactly the same thing as the heart rate. The charts are simulated on this one. Weather information, current conditions and temperature, last night's sleep time, more details in the app, but it does give you your total. Wow, I guess I needed my sleep. A music player integrated, and yes, it's a Bluetooth calling watch. Got speaker and microphone, and you can stream music over here to the watch as well. When you slide up, now you get into all your apps, the phoning, messages, WeChat messages, phone book. All of these things have to do with that Bluetooth connection for data and information. This is your step count. The different sporting activities are here, and look at this. They're grouped into all kinds of sections, and each of these have different activities in them, and each of those you can then activate. So a lot of support for sports. Heart rate, ECG, blood pressure as well, blood oxygen. This is your voice assistant. It's got the NFC and flashlight, the music player and sleep, saw all of that stuff. This is a stopwatch. When you get in here, you can run a stopwatch, or there's a countdown timer as well, weather in your area, Alipay if you're in China. Look at this, you got a real-life compass in here. Yep, and you can download from their app store barometric pressure. You've got alarm clocks and breathing exercises in this one, a calculator in it. It's really function-packed here. This is draining the speaker for when you're swimming to get the water out of it so the speaker will work again. Emergency calls, different styles, overall settings. Really, really nice. You can do a password on here, factory restored, and so forth. It's with an orange band. On the full review, you'll see a mustardy golden band attached to it, and it really looks attractive. It's solid gold backing on it, 2 buttons, a sport protrusion on here. All in all, it's a very, very nice watch. You can change watch faces simply by turning the dial, and it's even got a couple of funky creative ones like this one. It's the OD2. Check it out.